How Attorney General Malami used fake police officer team to raid Supreme Court Judge Odili's resident. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Nigeria Trends HD. The police have arrested 14 persons in connection with the raid on the home of Mary Odili, a justice of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. One of those arrested is Lawrence Ajodo, the officer in charge of assets recovery investigation team of the Ministry of Justice. Parading the suspects in Abuja, the first public relations officer, Frank Mba, described Ajado as a fake chief superintendent of police, CSP. However, an identity card of the police for assets recovery unit signed by Abubakar Malami San, Attorney General of the Federation, says Ajodo is the OIC investigation of the team. His ID card number seen by Sahara reporters is out. A contributing editor with one of the national dailies, Stanley Nkwazema, and an Islamic scholar were also arrested, Mba said. He added that 10 other suspects, including 2 military personnel, are currently at large. Armed operatives had on October 30 stormed Odili's residence, bearing a warrant that was issued based on information from a whistleblower, Aliyu Umar, an Abuja-based resident. Umar had deposed on October 13th that illegal activities were going on at 9 Imo Street, Maitama, which should warrant immediate action from law enforcement agents. Odili is next in line to Nigeria's Chief Justice, Tanko Muhammad, and stands to benefit from his removal should that happen before her retirement on May 12, 2022. Sources said the raid, approved by Malami San, was to let her know she would not be allowed to succeed Muhammad as the head of the nation's judiciary. Odili, who was appointed a justice of the Supreme Court on June 23rd, 2011, was born on May 12, 1952. It means she will be due for retirement by May 12, 2022, on turning 70. But Muhammad, who was appointed a Supreme Court judge in 2006 and born in on January 8, 2007, was born on December 31st, 1953, meaning he is younger than Justice Odili and will not retire until 2023 when he turns 70. Another source had said, regarding the raid on Odili's house, it was planned because they don't want her to become the next CJN, though she is retiring in about 6 months. That is like 6 years to the cabal. They are planning to remove Tanko Muhammad before then and don't want the woman to even act as CJN for one day. The most senior justice after Odili is Olukayode Ariwula, but they claim he's got a terminal illness. He is expected to retire soon on health grounds. The fourth most senior of the justices who could take over as CJN is Musa Datijo Muhammad, another northerner from Niger State. Is also expected to retire in 2023. They accuse Odili of being a PDP opposition party, People's Democratic Party, judge, and that her husband helps to fix lots of judgments at their home in Abuja. That was why the husband was also embarrassed recently. Forget also about Malami's denials. He was directly in charge of the raid. He chose the day President Muhammadu Buhari arrived from Saudi Arabia to do it because he needed to impress Buhari that he is still loyal as efforts are being intensified to remove him as minister. They want to force Tanko out soon and don't want the woman to replace him. They consider her too close to PDP, so they have to embarrass her to ensure she doesn't get to replace him at all. Do you guys think this information is actually correct? Leave it in the comment section if you think so. But looking at it from another angle, if this is actually correct, this is a shame to our government and this is a shame to our judiciary system. Trying to strip someone or put fear or instill fear on someone who is supposed to take over is of no good or of no use. So doing it in this manner doesn't tell good of our government, and it's so funny and irrational. Well, let's continue and see where it all leads them. But currently, we'll be giving you guys more updates on this same issue. Kindly leave a comment in the comment section. Tell us what you think about it. We'll be waiting down there. Thank you very much.